So page 75. Now it does say use the protractor to try and draw these. Maybe you could already see which ones were going to work, which ones couldn't. Brooklyn, you're shaking your head. What do you think? Why?
Because if you add 190, it would equal 190, and that's more than 180.
Yeah, remember some of triangles can't be more than 180. Has to be 180, exactly. That's over. Next one. Number 2, Josh, would you read that one, please?
A triangle has an angle measuring 90 degrees, an angle measuring 20, and a side that is 6 units long. The 6-unit size between the 90 and the 20 degree angles. Sketch this triangle and label your sketch with the given measurements. How many unique triangles can you draw?
All right, so it's given us a 90 and a 20, and it's given us even more specific instructions saying the 6 has to be between them. It does say sketch. You wouldn't actually have to measure it and draw it. It says sketch. I think you could handle that. Sometimes with a protractor, there's not a lot of room to write here. You might have to go in a bigger space or go in the back somewhere. There's plenty of room back there. But the question is, how many can you draw? And what does it look like? Jonas, how many do you think you can draw?
I might be wrong, but I got 3.
3? Okay.
1.
1? 1?
1.
1. The answer is 1. Okay. Because the 6 has to be between the 20 and the 90, that has to be what it looks like. Now, you could tilt it and draw it other directions, but it's got to look like this. Okay. Because there's no other way to put the 6. If I put the 6 here, now it's not between the 20 and 90. If I put the 6 here, it's not between the 20 and 90. If I put 20 here, then 6 would have to go here and look like the same thing. Okay, so there is only 1 that can be drawn. So hopefully you got a rough sketch there as well. Number 3. Give me a value for x that makes negative x less than 2x. Jared. 2. Let's try 2. So if I plug 2 in here, negative 2 is less than 2 times 2 is 4. Is negative 2 less than 4? Yeah, so that would be fine. Give me a value for x that makes negative x bigger than 2x. Colin.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Let's check negative 1. What's the opposite of negative 1?
1.
Is 1 bigger than 2 times negative 1? Yes, it is. Okay, just looking for an example there. Question number 4, the overall charge. So just adding positive and negatives here, same thing we did the entire unit, unit 5. Plus 6 minus 6, overall charge is 0. How about if I have a positive 13 and a minus 10, Brooks?
You get 3 positive.
3. Do I have to put a plus there? Wouldn't have to. Wouldn't be wrong if you did. Either way is fine. Kinley, next one.
I got negative 3.
Fine. Kaylee.
Negative 1.
Autumn.
0.
Done. Question number 5. 3 sparkling waters out of how many total?
10.
10. There's 3 sparkling, 7 plain. That's 10 bottles of water. So 3 out of 10 is what percent? And then I have plain water. 7 out of 10 is 70%.